Okay, so I need some help on the Flthy Halo Projector lights to set up. So I'm running into some issues. Let me run through the setup and then tell me what I'm doing wrong. Hopefully it's something simple. So I have my power supply over here. I haven't turned it on. I have my negative and my positive leads. Those two are going into the Filthy McNasty 5-volt regulator. And I've labeled the inside of the dome so I know which wires are which. Voltage in and ground. I got the 5.3 volts going in, and then on the opposite side, trying to get some light here. On the opposite side, on the first two leads going out on the top, I have going to the LED Halo Projector LED board. And it's going into that green little plug right there. Okay, so those are set up. That's going to the top one. And then on the bottom output for 5 volts, I have the positive and negative going over to the Halo Projector servo board. So I know I have the front, the back, and the top servos in the leads. I've put each of those leads for the LEDs are pushed into the LEDs in the correct order per the instructions, and then the servos in groups of 1 and 2 are in the same order as the instructions stay pushed all the way down. I have not touched any buttons on any of these servos. I haven't made any adjustments. Matter of fact, I don't even know how. So all I did, I just plugged everything up. Also, the lead that came with the set is plugged in with the matching, the gray being the ground, and it's running from the Halo Projector servo board over to the LED board. So, and then I put in a 5-volt meter just to make sure I'm getting the correct voltage coming out of what voltage is actually getting to the servo board. Here's the issue, that when I turn on the power, I'm getting a chatter of the servos, and then they freeze, and then the LEDs are coming on for about 10 seconds, and then they're shutting off, and then they're intermittently going on about maybe every 2 to 3 minutes, but only one of them, and I'm getting no servo movement whatsoever. So let me, I'm going to focus on these two servos, or the Halo projectors, and then here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hold on. There we go. So the servos jumped to their position. They just did a little bit of movement. The Halo projector is on. Halo projector is on. That one just went off. And then this one is on right there. Okay, so now this one is off. Now they're all off. So it was about 5 seconds. The power I have going into the regulator is 5.4 volts at about 0.08 amps. And it looks like to the LED board, I am getting about 4.68, 4.67. So the question is I'm getting no chatter from any of the servos. I'm not getting a power surge. You know, if the servo has resistance pull against it, I'm not getting that out of any of the servos. All my lights are on. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I know if I raise the voltage up to a little bit, okay, so this servo just came on a second ago, or that Halo projector. This Halo projector went on for a little bit. The top one is on now. Okay, so it would appear I raised the voltage up to 12 volts. I'm drawing 4.99 volts out of the back to the LED or the Halo Projector server board. The Halo projectors are off, nothing's moving. I don't know. I've got everything wired correctly. I just recently took these out of those static envelopes that they came mailed to me. Any suggestions of what I need to do? If I have anything hooked up incorrectly, not enough power, not enough amps, I don't know. It's kind of frustrating because a lot of work went into these three things and I just want to get it done and get it done right. I can't move on till I fix this, so hopefully one of you guys can come up with an answer.